Close your eyes for a moment and let your mind wander to a place where the limits of reality dissolve. A place where the boundaries of what is possible are shattered and the dreams that dance in your heart become tangible. Welcome to the realm of manifestation, where the power of intention and the whispers of the universe converge to create a symphony of magic. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner towards personal growth and success. Manifestation is more than just a buzzword or a fleeting trend. It's a philosophy, an art, and a way of life that invites us to become co-creators of our destinies. It's about harnessing our untapped potential and daring to dream big. Today, we will discuss how to manifest your dream life step by step. So, fasten your seatbelt and prepare to embark on an enchanting journey as we explore the art of manifesting your dream life. Number 7. First things first, define your dream life. Defining our ideal life is a crucial first step in making our dreams come true because it gives our goals clarity, concentration, and direction. We increase our chances of success by aligning our thoughts, deeds, and decisions with our clear image of what our perfect existence would include. According to the law of attraction, we attract into our life the events that match our thoughts and beliefs. When we define our dream life, we set clear intentions and send positive vibes to the universe. As a result, we become more aware of opportunities and possibilities that align with our desires and are more likely to act toward manifesting them. Defining your dream life allows you to understand what you truly desire. It helps us identify our goals, values, and priorities, and enables us to focus our energy and efforts on the things that matter most to us. We can set specific, actionable steps to move closer to our dreams when we have a clear vision. Number 6. Set clear intentions. Setting clear intentions brings clarity and focus to our aspirations. When we have a vague idea of what we want, our efforts and energy tend to scatter in different directions, making it challenging to achieve meaningful results. However, when we take the time to articulate our intentions clearly, we gain a precise understanding of what we desire and the steps required to accomplish it. This process helps us define our goals more precisely, enabling us to create a clear vision and purpose guiding our actions. Our path feels purpose and significance thanks to our clear aims. We develop a strong feeling of enthusiasm, dedication, and tenacity when we know why we want to realize our ambitions. Clarity of intention serves as a focus during trying times, a source of inspiration when we faced with challenges, and a constant reminder of the life-changing potential of our ambitions. We give our journey a purpose by establishing specific aims, which makes it more meaningful and satisfying. Number 5. Visualize your dream life. In our quest for happiness and fulfillment, many of us harbor dreams and aspirations that we hope to achieve. However, simply wishing for a better life is often insufficient. Visualization emerges as a powerful tool in manifestation to turn these dreams into reality. Harnessing the power of visualization enables us to clarify our desires, strengthen our focus, and ultimately pave the way for realizing our dream life. When we visualize our dream life, we engage our creative faculties and stimulate innovative thinking. Visualization sparks ideas, prompts new perspectives, and allows us to imagine alternative paths toward our goals. Regularly visualizing our dream life activates the subconscious, a wellspring of creativity. This heightened creativity assists us in finding solutions to challenges and obstacles that may arise along our journey. Number 4. Believe in your manifestation. The idea of manifestation, which contends that our thoughts and beliefs can influence our reality, has been trendy in recent years. According to this idea, we may create the life of our dreams by imagining them and affirming them. However, constant faith in our manifestations is critical to this process. Our subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in manifesting our desires. It stores beliefs, emotions, and memories that shape our perception of the world. We instill strong confidence in our manifestations when we tap into the immense power of the subconscious mind, aligning it with our conscious desires. This alignment creates a harmonious environment for manifesting our dream life. Belief is a catalyst for overcoming limiting beliefs that might hinder our progress. Often, we hold subconscious beliefs rooted in self-doubt, fear, or lack, which can sabotage our efforts to manifest our dreams. Fostering a strong belief in our manifestations allows us to challenge and replace these limiting beliefs, empowering us to tap into our true potential and manifest the life we desire. Number 3. Trust the timing. A crucial step to accomplishing our objectives is having faith in the timing of the manifestation of our desires. It necessitates a certain amount of endurance, confidence, and comprehension that everything occurs at its ideal time. While giving up control and allowing the timing to unfold may seem paradoxical, when we trust time, we align ourselves with this more excellent cosmic order. The cosmos has its rhythm and flow. The cosmos has an innate knowledge that anticipates when the ideal conditions, opportunity, and resources will come together to assist the realization of our ambitions. By putting our faith in the timing, we recognize that a more significant force is at work and that events will go according to plan. Number 2. Stay persistent and resilient. Our quest to realize our ambitions involves more than simply wishful thinking. It demands resilience and persistence, two fundamental qualities that propel us toward success. While aspirations occasionally may appear elusive or even unreachable, it is essential to maintain resiliency and perseverance in pursuing them. Resilience and persistence are the skills we need to overcome obstacles that unavoidably appear on the way to realizing our goals. There are many different types of challenges, including ones involving money, self-doubt, or outside criticism. Resilience and persistence teach us the importance of adaptability. The path to manifesting our dreams is rarely linear, and circumstances may change unexpectedly. Resilience allows us to cultivate the ability to adopt our strategies, pivot when necessary, and embrace new opportunities. Number 1. Celebrate your successes. Celebrating our successes is an empowering practice that positively impacts our psychology. When we acknowledge and celebrate our achievements, we reinforce a positive self-image and boost our self-confidence. Recognizing our progress and accomplishments builds a strong belief in our abilities, which is crucial for pursuing our dreams. Celebrating success serves as a potent fuel for motivation. When we celebrate our achievements, we create a positive association with the efforts we put into reaching our goals. This positive reinforcement enhances our cause and encourages us to persevere during challenging times. By celebrating incremental successes, we remain motivated to continue working towards our dreams, knowing that each step brings us closer to our desired outcome. Celebrating success not only benefits us individually, but also inspires and motivates others. When we openly celebrate our achievements, we create a ripple effect that encourages those around us to pursue their dreams. Our celebrations serve as a source of inspiration for others, showcasing what is possible with determination and hard work. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this incredible journey of manifesting your dream life. Thank you for joining us on this fantastic journey of manifestation. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more empowering content. Together, we can manifest a world of unlimited possibilities. Until next time, keep dreaming and manifesting.